Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Cute phrase, right? Looks like it belongs on a motivational poster in a physics classroom. But what if I told you? It's wrong. At least when the universe decides to be a little rebellious. Today, we're talking about disappearing energy, a universe that gaslights us, and the kind of math that saved physics armed with paper, pencil, and a brain bigger than the Milky Way. Emmy Noether. The whole energy conservation thing is like the golden rule of physics. You can change energy's form, but it's always hanging around, like that one family member in your group chat. Never leaves, just shapeshifts. Like Lego bricks. Tear down the castle, build a spaceship, then turn it into a laser-spitting robot. Still the same pieces. Now imagine you're an astronaut chucking a rock hard into space. According to classical physics, that thing should fly in a straight line forever. But it stops. Did we just break Newton? Where's the energy? Who stole it? Einstein shows up with general relativity and goes, "Gravity is space doing yoga." And that messes up everything, especially where the heck the energy went. Hilbert tries to help, but all he finds is an equation that only works if the universe is empty. Like a party where only the host shows up, and the chips. Then comes Emmy Noether, mathematician, genius, no badge, no paycheck, and zero tolerance for conceptual nonsense. She figures it out. If the universe has symmetry, it conserves stuff. Just like that. Space symmetry. Momentum stays put, like pushing a shopping cart, and it keeps rolling. Rotational symmetry. Angular momentum hangs around. Hello, figure skaters. Time symmetry. Energy sticks around. No time symmetry? Energy's free to ghost. And that's exactly what happens in our unhinged universe. Noether threw wine math parties, had her students rolling on the grass talking about symmetry, and even called her own thesis a piece of junk. Still, she worked for free for years, got shut out for being a woman, and was kicked out of Germany by the Nazis. She moved to the US, shined even brighter, and died young, at 53. Left everyone with their jaws on the floor for over a century. Our universe isn't chill. It's stretching like a rubber band. And worse, it's speeding up. That messes with time symmetry. And when time symmetry breaks, energy just bails. Like that $50 bill you swear was in your wallet. A photon, a light particle, left the Big Bang pumped full of energy. When it got here, tired, old, and basically a microwave, lost 99.9% of its energy. Where'd it go? To the fitness-obsessed universe that won't stop stretching. Noether didn't just drop one theorem, she gave us two. First, if there's symmetry, something's being conserved. Second, if the symmetry is local, not global, like just in your neighborhood, the conservation laws get fancy and weird, but still work. Because of that, modern physics exists, from the standard model to multiverses with dancing strings, all stamped with Noether's official symmetry seal of approval. The truth? Energy isn't eternal. It's just really good at pretending to be there, until you squint too hard. And if modern physics has a secret superhero, her name is Emmy Noether, the woman who taught the brightest men in science how to math correctly. Like that? Hit subscribe before the algorithm breaks the symmetry of your attention span too. Smash that like button before it vanishes like energy in an expanding universe. And drop a comment. If even energy disappears, why won't my bills do the same?